create an emotional, cinematic 8-minute short film set inside a modern martial arts academy in the United States. The story follows Maria Alvarez, a humble 44-year-old cleaning woman and single mother who quietly works at the academy every day. She wears simple work clothes, pushes a mop through empty hallways before sunrise, and is ignored by nearly everyone. Unknown to the students and instructors, Maria was once an elite national martial artist whose dreams ended after years of personal hardship and sacrifice. During a crowded martial arts demonstration, a confident young champion publicly mocks Maria and jokingly challenges her to step onto the mat. The audience laughs, expecting an embarrassing moment. Maria calmly sets aside her cleaning supplies, bows respectfully, and accepts the challenge without saying much. The match begins. Instead of using aggression, Maria demonstrates flawless balance, discipline, timing, and defensive technique. Every movement is graceful and controlled. Within seconds, she avoids every attack before gently taking the champion to ground without hurting him. The entire gym falls silent as shock turns into admiration. After helping him back to his feet, Maria bows with humility. An elderly master recognizes her remarkable skill and respectfully invites her to return to training. Her teenage son, who secretly dreamed of becoming a martial artist, proudly watches his mother reclaim the confidence she had buried for years. The final scenes show mother and son training together during quiet evenings, while students who once ignored her now greet her with genuine respect, and with a powerful emotional message reminding viewers that true strength comes from humility, perseverance, kindness, and never judging people by their appearance or profession.